Hey guys, welcome back to another video shared content brought to you by Flash Transfers. And today, this video is going to be about our brand new exclusive sports pre-made gang sheets. Let's go ahead, let's jump onto the website. Let's show you guys them right now. So we are here at Flash Custom Transfers, right? You want to come to flashcustomtransfers.com. First thing you want to do is scroll down, check out all of our awesome deals. We have so many deals going on. We got gift cards now. Check out that video if you want to know how to order a gift card. In today's video, I'm just going to show you guys our brand new pre-made sports gang sheets. Each gang sheet comes with 2 images. So let's go ahead. You're going to scroll down. You're going to click here. Each gang sheet comes with 2 images. 2 images, guys. So you're going to come over here. You're going to select whatever one that you want. Whether or not you want LeBron, you want Allen Iverson, right? We got a bunch. We got young Kobe. We got a bunch. I'm going to be doing a bunch more. So just so you know how to do it, each image is either going to be 11.7 by 16.5. That gang sheet comes with 2 images, and each image is 11.7 by 16.5. That's for a t-shirt. That's for a t-shirt. So I just want to be very, very, very clear. If you get an image that size, that's for a t-shirt or a sweatshirt with no pocket, or for like the back of a hoodie. If you get that image, it's going to be too big, too long. 16 inches is too long for a hoodie from here to down here. It's not gonna press well over the pocket. You can try it, I just wouldn't recommend it. This is for a graphic tee, so this is meant to be like this wide, come down and fill up the entire tee. If you're looking for a hoodie, that's the reason why I went in here and made each image have 2 different sizes. You're gonna want the 10 by 13, okay? The 10 by 13. Again, the picture doesn't change whether or not I do LeBron 10 by 13 or LeBron 11.7 by 16.5. I just want to show you guys that. So be very selective and very careful whenever you are picking your image. So right here, this is a gang sheet and they're only 24 bucks. 24 bucks Kobe Bryant gang sheet. Each gang sheet, whether or not it's for a hoodie or for a t-shirt, each gang sheet comes with 2 images. 24 bucks for the whole gang sheet. It's gonna come with 2 images. You can do whatever you want with them. You can press them, you could sell them, you could flip them, you could do whatever you want, guys. But these are all of our brand new sports gang sheets. We are fully blown into the NBA season. So we are going to be releasing more and more products. Also, don't forget that you can get your digital downloads here for these sports images. So we got 100 images here, basketball, and 28 here, NFL football. So it's 100 here and then 28 here, and we got more images coming. These packs are available for purchase right now on the website. And then last and not least, don't forget about our stock images. So just to kind of recap this video, we have 3 new products. We have the football images that you can download and create your own gang sheet, or you can email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. After you download them, then you can send them to us and we can create a gang sheet for you. You have the pre-made gang sheets that are locked and loaded, ready to go. All you have to do is just purchase them, boom, email us your order number, and then we're going to ship it out to you. Make sure you put your shipping address whenever you check out. And then we have our 100 basketball images, PNGs, really high quality. These are called bootlegs. They're not because they're bad. They're just called bootleg because that's just the design that it is, and it's meant for graphic tees. And those images, again, are PNG, so you can scale them to whatever you want. You can scale them down to kids. You can scale them really big. You could do a 20 by 20 if you wanted to. I don't know if you have a shirt that big, but you can. So that's so that you can create the custom gang sheets. And then we also have the pre-made, because people love our pre-made gang sheets. They sell a lot. And don't forget about our bears and all of our other Christmas sales going on, where we have the buy 5, get 1 free 22 by 60, buy 10, get 2 free 22 by 60s. And the buy 5, get 1 free, buy 10, get 2 free 22 by 36s, and the buy 5, get 1 free 22 by 36s. Those are brand new on the website, guys. So check out everything on the website, please. And if you have any questions, email us at ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. Again, you're seeing me in this hoodie because I'm filming 5 or 6 videos today. It is Tuesday, December 20th. I am putting out all 5 videos today on the channel on Straight Outta Content so that you guys can just go click, and learn about everything in one day. You're not having to wait till Christmas to learn about our gift cards. You're gonna get it all today. So let me go ahead and film the rest of the videos. If you have any questions, email us at ordernow@flashandtransfers.com.